Yeah, 2025 hit me harder than I thought it would. I've been neglecting my hair and my hair is dry, my ends are split, everything is wrong. I really thought that this was the year I was going to hit waistline, but anyway, today I'm going to try and make it all right. I'm gonna moisturize my hair, I'm gonna trim my ends. Finally, after almost like 2 years, I'm gonna finally trim my ends, okay? One of the major reasons why I haven't trimmed my ends in a long time is not because I wasn't thinking about it, but it was because I couldn't find hair shears, okay? Because I heard that using regular scissors to cut your hair is somehow damaging it more. And so I was looking for these hair shears though. I was looking for it and I couldn't find it. But I finally found somewhere to get it. I think the name of the business is Bora Naturals. I'm going to link their Instagram because I don't think they have a website, and it's only valid if you're in Nigeria, I guess. So I'm going to link their Instagram in the description. But yeah, I finally got my hands on some hair shears. They are heavier than I thought they were going to be. I know that everywhere I've seen hair shears, they were always like metal scissors, like mostly like all metal, instead of the regular scissors that has like plastic over here and then metal over there. So it's quite heavy. So yeah, I'm gonna finally trim my ends. Now in case you are wondering, because I've been doing content the last year and you've probably been seeing my hair a lot and you're wondering, trim? Your hair needs a trim? Let me show you something. Look at these ends. Look at these ends. They look so straggly. I don't know if the camera is capturing just how scattered my ends are. There's a lot of knots, there's a lot of tangles. I've even actually seen split ends. Like I've seen my hair split into two, okay? So yeah, my ends, they need intervention. Now I know most people like to trim their ends on like stretched out hair and everything, but I want to make do because I have the scissors now. I just want to use them. It's just scratching me to use. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to moisturize my hair because right now I can't tell if my ends are damaged or if they are just dry. I don't know where the damage starts and ends, and I don't know where the dryness starts and ends. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to moisturize my hair first, and then we can now see clearly where the ends need to go chop, okay? So let's moisturize first. The first step for moisturizing for me is always, you know, spray a little water, because water is your hair's best friend. If you have not heard that before, hear it now. You need water in your life. A lot of people will buy these spray bottles and they'll be mixing concoctions inside, tea rinse, oils, something, different things. Some people will mix their leave-in conditioner and water together in their spray bottle. Honestly, just water in your spray bottle is enough. I promise you. Just put water in your spray bottle and spray it. Now, once I've entirely doused my hair in water, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to take my leave-in conditioner. Now, if you know me, you know I use Shiny Organics. We use Shiny Organics over here. Yeah, I'm going to take my leave-in conditioner and I'm going to use quite a bit of it. This leave-in conditioner is almost finished. Lord of Jesus. All right, so I'm taking that much. Do you see how my hair just swallowed that leave-in conditioner just now? Hey, all of you that are wanting thick long hair, hope you know you will buy products. You will buy products. See how my twists are looking like they have life once again. They look plumper, you know? This is why you should always keep your hair moisturized, even in a protective style, because it even helps your hair look better. These twists now are almost 3 weeks old, and yes, of course, they are looking really frizzy, but now that they are moisturized, I mean, they're looking better, they're looking curlier, they're looking like there's life in them. You know what I'm saying? Finally, we're going to seal all of that moisture in with the hair cream. And if you have not heard me talk about this hair cream before, you're going to hear today. I love this hair cream because it is water-based. It's not just a combination of butter on top of butter on top of butter. I don't like those kind of hair butters, okay? This is what I like. That much. The job of this is to basically like seal all that moisture in, so you don't need to use as much of it as leave-in conditioner. You get me? And a little bit goes a long way. You can see just that glow up that I took has covered my whole head. Always moisturize your edges, by the way, very important. Just look at that lusciousness. Come on now. That's my natural hair, people. All right, so now let's get into the trimming. This is the part that I've been dreading. I don't want to do it, but I gotta do it. All right, so I'm going to go twist by twist and trim the ends of each twist. I don't know if you can see this, but you can see where the ends just look very scrawny and dead, right? Down at the ends here, where the curls are not really curling anymore. And around there is where we're just gonna snip snip, right? I don't know if you can't see or if the shadows are too much, but you see the difference. So I'm just gonna go twist by twist like that, and we're just gonna go snip snip on all the dead ends. There we go. Do you see that? Do you see that end there that doesn't really curl no matter how much product is on it? That's the dead end you want to get rid of. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep that up twist after twist until I am literally done with my entire head. This one has a huge knot in it. I don't know if you can see it. There's a huge knot right there. So I'm just gonna cut it all off. Now that's a smooth end, like that. Okay. You see how my ends are now looking more like healthy and thicker? So this is kind of the goal. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that again and again and again all over my head for all of my twists, and then I'll be right back to show you the end result. All right. We are done with all of the trimming, and you can see that my twists look so much better. You can't see all of those dangly ends that were there earlier. Everything just looks a lot better now that my twists are moisturized and trimmed. It just looks better. It just looks better. See, if you have dead ends, let them go. Okay, your hair will be much better for it. All right, your hair will look better in styles. Your hair will be less tangly and knotty, and of course you don't want split ends traveling up your hair shaft. You do not want that. Okay, so don't be like me. Don't wait to trim your hair for years and years. I bet there are some split ends that I've missed that I've already traveled up, and well, what's lost is lost. But don't be like me and not trim your hair for 2 years or 3 or 10. All right, please make sure you trim your hair when needed. Now I'm not saying you should go and be trimming your hair every month too. It's not from my own mouth that you heard that one. I'm not even saying you should trim your hair every 3 months, but when it is time to trim your hair is gonna tell you, with the tangling, with the knotting, and all the other things. Okay, your hair is gonna basically tell you when it needs a trim. My hair has been telling me for the better part of the last 6 months now, but I couldn't find the hair shears, and I finally did. Like I said, I'm going to link Bora Naturals, their Instagram, in the description, so make sure you go check that out. If you are in Nigeria, she will deliver to you. The scissors are, I think, 4,000. It was my delivery fee that was 3,500. So if you're in Lagos, your delivery fee might be somewhere between 3,000 and 3,500. But if you're outside Lagos, well, I mean, she also sells hair products and she sells bonnets. I bought this bonnet from her. I bought this big reversible bonnet from her. So I mean, you can buy other things from her, but the hair shears, I got it from her. So I'm going to link her Instagram in the description. And so this is once again a reminder for you to moisturize your hair in protective styles, and make sure you trim the hair if it's been a while. Okay, if it's been over a year, you might want to go and take a look at your ends and see if they need a trim. Also, don't trim your hair when it's like totally dry, right? Because sometimes your ends may not be damaged. They may just be dry. You see that I moisturize my hair first just to see where the damage ends and where the dryness ends, okay? And you saw that once I moisturized my hair, some of the ends actually started to curl again. So it wasn't as if they were just damaged, right? Sometimes it might just be dryness. So make sure you check all of that before you carry scissors and cut your hair, okay? Very, very important. Oh my gosh, my hair is all over the floor. My hair isn't usually on the floor like this because I don't typically do my hair when it is dry, and if your hair isn't dry, then there's less breakage and then there's less hair on the floor. All right, so that is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. I know that at the beginning of this video I said that this trimming might actually affect my journey to waist length, but then after I moisturized my hair and saw that I didn't have to trim that much, I guess I'm not going to give up on that journey just yet. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, if you have not watched my game plan on how I intend to reach waist length this year, make sure you go and watch it right here. The video is here. Make sure you go and watch it. I have this whole plan, this whole strategy, okay? So if you want to grow like long and healthy hair this year and you want to join me on my journey, then this video is the one you should watch next, okay? I'll see you here. Bye.